Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to create a basic PowerPoint presentation. So the skills you're going to learn in this lesson include selecting a theme, formatting text, creating new slides, adding images and transitions to your slides, how to present your slideshow, and how to save it to your computer. So first what you're going to want to do is open up the Microsoft PowerPoint application. Mine is down in the toolbar, but yours might be somewhere else on your computer, on your desktop. So this is the home screen, and this is where all your previous PowerPoints can be found. So to start a new presentation, you can click here on Blank Presentation. And this just gives you a plain white slide to begin with, but you probably don't want to leave it that way if you want to make it a little more interesting for your audience. So you can go up to this Design tab at the top, and this gives you all sorts of themes for your presentation. It changes the background colors and even the font colors and styles. So we'll leave it on this one today. And this first slide is going to be your title slide. So to add text, you just click in the box and type whatever you want to say. So this is your title slide, slide number 1, but you're obviously going to want more than one slide. So you can go up and click on the Home tab once again, and then you can click on the drop arrow for this new slide button, and it gives you all sorts of slide formats. So I'm going to click this blank slide for slide number 2. And you'll notice that this slide has no text boxes for me to type anything in, so I can create my own text box. So you go up to the home and you click on text box, and then you just drag to create the box. And then I will type this in here. So there's your text, and if you highlight it, you can go back up to the Home tab and change to all kinds of different fonts. You can change the size of the font and also the color. You can also insert all sorts of images, charts, and graphs to your PowerPoint presentation. So if you go up to the top and click on the Insert tab, you'll see this Pictures button right here. You can click the drop down arrow, and if you click Online Pictures, you can actually search for pictures online if you don't have one yourself that you want to use. So let's say I want to insert a picture of a cat. I can type that in there, and it's going to pull up all these different pictures of cats. So I'll click on this one, and you can click Insert. And now this cat is on my slide. Another way to make your PowerPoints more interesting is to add transitions between each slide. So if you click on the slide you want to add a transition to, you can choose from all these different options. So let's say I want to do random bars on this one, and this one we will do reveal. If you want to see what your PowerPoint would look like from a viewer's standpoint, or you just want to present it, you can go up to the Slideshow tab and click Play from Start. This is going to start your presentation at the beginning. So here is my first slide, and then to go to the next slide, I'm just going to hit the space bar, and you can see that transition in between. If you want to go back to a previous slide, you just hit the back arrow button, and it will take you back. And to exit that slideshow, you can just press the Escape key at the top of your keyboard, and that's going to take you back to your editing screen. Okay, and so finally you're done with your PowerPoint. So what you want to do is save it so you don't lose it. So up at the top, you can click Auto Save On, and I'll just title my presentation, Cat Presentation, and then it's going to be saved to my OneDrive. So I'll click Save, and it's going to upload to my OneDrive, and I'm all done and ready to present. So this was how to create a basic PowerPoint presentation. There are so many other helpful features, but hopefully this is enough to get you started.